Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can buy stocks on the Trading212 app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trading212 app and it should open up for the trading page. But if it's not on the trading page, you just have to tap on the instruments, the first tab in the menu, and you can see here all the stocks that are available. This is your watch list, but you can choose from all these different tabs. You can go to the popular tab or to US stocks, UK stocks, new stocks on Trading212, and ETFs. So let's go to the popular tab right now, and let's say we are going to invest in Tesla stocks. To invest in it, you just have to tap on buy. It's going to open up this page, which says that market orders are excluded at the best currently available market prices. So with this little slider, you can set how many stocks you would like to purchase. As you can see, I can grab my slider and based on my stocks, my funds available in my account, I can purchase 6.5 Tesla shares. And to go through with your order, you can check out some other more informations here. Just tap on review order. It's going to show you all the different details. Order type is market buy, number of shares 6.5, 226. Shares value, this is the money that I'm going to spend on these shares. Commission is free. FX fee is 7 euros, and total, it is the total amount of the shares value plus the FX fees. And if you tap on send, it's going to send your order, and when the market is open, your purchase is going to go through and you can follow your stocks inside the app. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.